Welcome aboard for another video.
Thanks, Conductor Keith. It's difficult to see it way down there, but the little pinpoint of light, they've turned off the ditch lights and they're pulling into the siding. And this is a train from Montreal to Ottawa. We're here in the minus 14 degrees Celsius in Casselman. It's going to pull into that siding. It's pulling in because in several minutes a Via Rail train from Ottawa heading for Montreal will pass along here. So it is 10:45 a.m. The train's been in the siding about 3 minutes. And here comes the Siemens Venture train set. And there goes the point. CTC controlled, centralized traffic controlled, so someone flicked a switch somewhere else and the switch point just shifted so the other train can come out of the siding. As you can see, that's another Siemens Venture train set. These are brand new train sets. Here it is coming out of the siding. These are very cool new train sets. My son Felix and I had an opportunity to ride on one already. One of these great train sets. Very nice indeed. And here's the pusher locomotive. This is the power car. And here it is, being reset back to the main. There you go. So that's the whole train operation here. I hope you enjoyed.